Hello, it's Mike. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to use widgets, then you need to sign in. So first off, press the Windows key and the W key, and this will open the widgets login page. Now you'll need to have a Microsoft account, a personal one. So if you don't have one, you can create one on the login page. And then this is the widget home page, and you can customize this if you want. So if you weren't happy with this one, you could get rid of it. Also, if you click on the plus here, you can add things. So like, for instance, your Outlook calendar or photos, tips and things from your to-do list if you've got that synced, and the weather. There's all sorts of things you can search on the web as well to add into the widgets section. If you want to sign out of widgets, click here and then click on sign out. If you need to open widgets again, it's the Windows key and W, and there it is. Hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and click that subscribe button.